Hi, my name is Jade Weinstein. We are in the Applause model here at Palm Grove by Neal Communities. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom at 2,110 square feet. Let's go take a look. When you enter the home, you'll be wowed by the beautiful open concept living that really ties in your indoor and outdoor space. This model offers a pocket sliding door that opens up to your lanai. You also have the ability to create a custom pool by Waterscapes. This kitchen is made for making memories with your friends and family. It features plenty of cabinet space, a natural gas stove, and an oversized island with a farmhouse sink. It also features a step-in pantry. Your dining area is located just off the kitchen. In the front of the home, you have this space that you can personalize to your lifestyle. Tucked away in the back of the home is the primary bedroom. It's large enough to accommodate a sitting area, king-size bed, and oversized nightstands. The primary bathroom includes 2 walk-in closets, dual sinks, and a private water closet. Located in the front of the home are the 2 additional bedrooms, one of which is a guest suite. Your 3rd bathroom and laundry room complete the home. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Applause model here at Palm Grove. I hope to see you soon.